How to fix page isn't available right now on Instagram. Hello everyone, and in this video we will talk about how you can easily change the inaccessibility of the page in the application Instagram. Everything is very simple, you just need to follow me step by step to avoid any mistakes. You can see if it is available or not by logging into the application itself. And if you go in show page isn't available right now, and to fix it, I will offer you two ways. The first way is to update the application Instagram, and to do this, go to the application App Store and in the search bar enter Instagram and click on the update button. And then you have to disappear inaccessibility on the page in Instagram. The second way is to clean the data of the application Instagram. Go to the settings application and flip down, click on the general line and go to iPhone storage. Then select the Instagram application in the list of applications and click on it. Next you just need to click on the upload application option, and that's it. After one of these ways you must miss the page inaccessibility in the application Instagram. Yeah, I hope it was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.